Gonna bring it back.
Yo, what you people saying? It's your boy Jerome, but for this video, just call me Chef Boy Rome. And today, we're gonna be making side, cooking side. Nothing too complicated, something simple, you know. We're just gonna go for the simple. Hold on. Beans on toast, you know, something simple. First episode of this. Probably do carry on this, but yeah. So without further ado, people, let's start this. Let's just start with what we got for today. First, we got the Heinz beans. Look at them, look at them. Ooh, looking good, smelling good. And now the bread. We got the King's Meal. We got the tasty wholemeal. We got a wholemeal bread for today, not the normal one, not the white. We got a wholemeal today. Yeah, I don't know what I was saying. And then we got some onion. You know, the onion gives the beans that extra flavor. You know, that nice flavor. So yeah, so that's what we got. Oh, and let me get the pot. Yeah, that's the sink. Don't worry about that. There's yeah. You want to see the pot? There's the pot right there. So yeah. So without further ado, guys, let's do this. Alright, guys. First off, we're going to start with the beans, you know, open the beans. So yeah, let's open the beans. Woo! And then just, oh snap. Then we get the spoon to because at the top it's just the bean juice, you know. So we need to mix it, get the beans, mix it up, you know. So it's like, oh. Got that done. Put the spoon right there in the sink. Then you get a bigger tablespoon now. Snap. And then you put in your amount of beans you want. I'm having 2 slices of bread, so I put in, yeah, a decent amount. So yeah, boy, don't that look lovely? Oh snap! Wait, I think that's about enough, you know. So we got the beans in the pot. Next thing to do is the onions. Whoa, dude! Put the onions on that. Onions on that. Put onions on that. Onions on that. So let's get the onion. Okay, move that. So, right there. Okay. So, got a message. What's this? Alright. Someone messaged me during my cooking. So yeah, cut the onions. Can you see it? Are you good? Wait, hold on. Good. Just checking. Oh yeah, cut it. Oh. Hold on. Better if I do it like this. Okay, it's a small cuts, you know, guys. Boom. I should have done this in the damn cutting mat. But anyway, come here, guys. What do you think of the cutting skills? They ain't that good right there, but I'm normally good at this. But yeah, that's a decent amount, I'd say. Do that again like that. Yeah. Now let me move that out of the way. As you see, I got the butter right here. Got the beans in the pan. I ain't turned it on yet, the oven. But I got the butter. Gonna cut that, and then the butter just gives it So like, overall, it gives it, I don't know what. You know what, I think that's make. Anyway, let me get some of that butter. Zoom, zoom. Alright, so difficult holding both these. There's a camera person right here. Ching. That's enough, that's enough. Obviously you don't have to put butter in it, but I just do that, you know. So I don't need nothing more. That's all. I'm turning the oven. Hold on, guys. Alright, the oven is on, guys. Move that down in there. Now we just wait for it to get all hot. And then you mix the butter in with the beans. And put the butter back. Then put the beans in the fridge. Beans. You wait for the beans to get hot, you know, and then we that's the way in. How you guys doing? You guys doing good? Having a good day? Having a good day? I might continue this on, you know, make this a series, you know, do some more simple stuff. Thinking of doing like an egg sandwich, maybe some pancakes. Yeah. But tell me, guys, if you like this, I'll probably continue doing it. Alright. So the butter is in. Obviously, the butter is melted. So now, guys, let's go. Alright, I definitely need a cameraman. Or, yeah, person. But yeah, now we're going to get the onions. Chuck it into the beans. Gives it that niceness. As you notice, we ain't done the bread yet because that's the last thing you do. Because you don't want to do the bread early, because then you just have the toast. After it's done in the toaster, it's toast. And then it just gets cold while you're doing the rest of this. So you do the bread last. I'm pretty sure you knew that, but yeah, you never know, you know. Dang it. Now you mix it. You just mix it, you know. This light ain't that good, but hey ho. That's what we're working with right now, guys. Now you let it do his thing. And then marinate, let the onion juices do his thing, and then we wait. Now, guys, let me turn that down a bit. Woo! You don't want it to mess up. Oh snap! Now, guys, with the beans doing this thing, hopefully you can see me. Hopefully my head not cut. Now we gonna get the bread because the beans are basically done now. Cause already. Hey, we gonna. Oh. So yeah. Oh, another onion. We pop that in there. But yeah, now we go for the bread, the wholemeal bread. Put that in the toaster. And just wait for that. Oh wait. And wait for that to pop. Telling you guys, this gonna taste delicious. This gonna taste delicious. Now the beans basically done. We'll stop this before it all gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. We don't want that now. So we're gonna turn this off, guys. Then cover that so it don't get cold, you know. So yeah. Now we're just gonna wait for the toast, guys. So yeah, let's wait. Hey! It is ready. Toast is ready. Now, we got our plate. We got our toast. Got the toast right there. Look at the toast. Looking extra toasty right now. And now we got the butter because you want to butter the bread. So we're going. Hold on for a sec, guys, while I butter this bread. And with the bread nice and hot, the butter will just melt and seep into the bread. And if it don't melt, don't worry, because the beans will be hot, it'll make it melt. Yeah. That's that done and dusted. Alright. So come here, guys, let's go. See the bread? And see the hotness of the beans. And is that a good shot? I think so, probably. So now we got the beans. We're gonna put this on the bread with bread. I don't know if you can see me doing it, but I'm putting it on the bread right now. That's the first bread. And now here's the second bread, you know? Looking good. It's like boom boom. Gonna shake the mother flipping room, guys. The beans are smelling delicious. Put that in the sink. And now come here. Look at that. It looks nice, don't it? The beans with the flavorness of the onions as well. On top of the nice bread. Obviously, yeah. Oh, you can obviously use other bread, obviously. But what we had right now is the wholemeal, so that's what we're working with right now. So yeah. That's it really. That's how I make my beans on toast. And if you guys enjoyed this, oh wait, hold on, you guys gonna see my face for this. As I was saying, thanks again for watching. Hit the like button. Tell me if you'd like to see more. I'll probably still make them if you don't want to see them, but if just in case you're curious, yeah. But yeah, thanks for watching again. And I'll hit the like button. Share this video with your homies and your homegirls. And I'm going to talk quick because I don't want this to get cold. And I'll see you guys in the next one.